How to recover Litmatch account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover Litmatch account. If you have previously deleted your Litmatch account and now you would like to recover it, then you will need to follow these steps. First of all, open your Litmatch application on your mobile device, and here on this home screen you will find the option Login field at the top right. Tap on this option and inside it you will be able to see different options related to login problem. You need to tap on this Forget Account, and here in this page you will find Report My Problems option. Tap on Report My Problem and here select Account Registration and Login Issues. By doing so, this form will appear. Here you will need to fill out these informations in order to recover your account. Enter your nickname if you remember, enter your Lit ID, select your gender, add your birthday. Make sure to add it correctly, and after that, if you have any evidence or the screenshot, tap on this gallery like icon right here, tap on Choose from Library, and once you have added it, now describe your problem. After that, you can add your email address in the provided box below, and after entering all the details correctly, tap on the Submit button at the very bottom. By doing so, you will be able to successfully report your problem to Litmatch. Now you will need to wait for the response from Litmatch, and then once you get it, there you will also be able to see the instructions on how you can recover your Litmatch account. Simply follow all those instructions provided and then you will be able to recover your Litmatch account. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.